Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Over the weekend, Bitcoin and the altcoins pumped. Uniswap up 20%, which was beautiful. FXS up quite a bit, these are some of the altcoins that I hold up. In this video, I'm going to show you how I trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, how I trade, buy and sell altcoins, Bitcoin and stocks. The stock market is still closed. In the next video in 12 hours, I'll make an updated video on the Nasdaq and the tech stocks and Bitcoin. In this video, I'll do Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the total market cap for cryptos. I've been trading for 22 years, making these videos for 3.5 years. I have thousands of students. You can see the links down below. Take the courses to understand what I'm doing here, how to trade, etc. Hit the subscribe and smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. We're jumping into the charts for Bitcoin now. We're going to the charts for. And yesterday, Uniswap was up 14%, DeFi in total up 5%, FXS 3.6%. Big pump in the markets, which is beautiful, especially altcoins. Uniswap is one of the biggest alts that I've been holding, that I've been rebuying into. This is Bitcoin's chart. Let's go into the daily. In the daily, you can see Bitcoin is on its fifth and final wave. The Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the Crypto Master Course, #1 in the description, the steps, you can see it flipped to a blue buy last week. About 4 days ago, it flipped to a blue buy. For example, when it flipped to a blue buy here, when Bitcoin was at 16K, it then went all the way up to 25K, that pulled back to like 20K, flipped to a red sell, flipped back to a blue buy, went up to 29K. So about 4 days ago, we flipped to a blue buy on the Crypto Guru bot. Again, the link in the description. We've got volume confirming it, strong volume move. We had Bitcoin break out of this ascending wedge and broke out of this descending triangle, exactly as I predicted. It's still following my white dotted line. Volume is still coming in. Stochastic very oversold on the 4 hourly, which is good. It activated the trade from yesterday, and the trade is exactly at where the trade opened. The trade before is still in the profits a lot, which is beautiful. Move your stop loss into profits if you took any earlier trade. Bitcoin broke this downtrend line though, still making higher lows, but it did break this trend line. You can see here, Bitcoin in the shorter term was climbing here on the 4 hourly chart. Volume has dropped off the last few hours over the weekend. Let's turn on the other indicators just to see. You get them all. I teach you how to set them up in the crypto course. RSI is heading down but turning back up again. Squeeze mob is going towards the red side now after a long time. Stochastic heading down fast. Let's go closer on the hourly. Hourly Bitcoin is sideways moving, made a lower high just now. Oops. And the trade from yesterday is now activated. And you can see it broke out here and then it came back down. Let's clear up these patterns and see what we can see. We have a resistance at 30,900. This trade is now active from yesterday, and we've got this channel that Bitcoin is in right now, which is beautiful. But it broke that down. It broke one of the trend lines. So we could do on a shorter term hourly trade just closer breakout trades, because that trend line has broke. So now we need to see. Bitcoin is moving sideways at the moment, but it does have a downtrend line. You can see here it's got a trend line, and this is a descending, looks like a descending, a little bit like a descending triangle, which usually play out like this. Builds pressure, bounces and breaks out. So I'd go long on the shorter term. 4 hourly we're oversold, daily we're overbought, but it looks like it's bull flagging. So I do think Bitcoin is going to continue here. So I would go long from this bull flag and this descending triangle here. Same trade as yesterday. Long from this support, this white line. Stop loss just underneath. Actually, there's some major supports here. Stop loss just underneath, and take profit at that resistance, 33. Risk to reward 8.56. As I teach you in the crypto and stock master course and the laws of money, I don't take trades unless they're minimum 3 times risk to reward ratio. Every dollar of my money I risk, I need to minimum get 3 times. This is 9 times risk to reward ratio. I'm risking $358 to make $3,244, with no leverage. With 10x leverage, that's $32,000. With 100x leverage, that's $320,000 of profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 30,121, stop loss 29,762, take profit 33,365. That's the trade I would take. And again, to learn how to set up your charts, how to get the Bitcoin indicator bot, this one here, the crypto group bot that flipped to a blue buy here, and also the Bitcoin indicator bot. Let's check that out. Bitcoin, you get those in the crypto master course, number 1 in the course. Bitcoin indicator bot called the buy perfectly. It hasn't flipped to a sell. It called the buy down here, which is interesting. Not yet flipping to a sell. Overall, we're in this bigger formation. You can see that Bitcoin is in this bigger formation, and the 5th wave ends at around 33k, and after that it should be an ABC correction. So I will monitor it closely on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video, in the description and of the video, go down below. You've got the steps 1, 2, 3. Step 1, take the crypto master course, jamescryptoguru.com/promotion, where I teach you how to set up the charts, how to trade. If you've been watching and you want to learn how to set up your charts, get these bots, trade Bitcoin, trade cryptos, trade stocks. Number 1 teaches you in the stock course and the crypto course. 2, trading on Bybit. That's where I'm going to show you how to open trades. You get a free $30,000 bonus when you use that link. And Bybit is the main exchange I use for trading. Best liquidity, low fees, never been hacked. 3, you can also join a free Telegram. There's almost 9,000 traders in there. I'm going to show you some of their gains. Once you sign up to Bybit, you get an account like this. My account is at 290,000. Up from 260,000 last week, so very nice gains there. I've got Bitcoin 3.5, Bitcoin 108,000. I've got 57,000 USDT, 39,800 of MCRT, and there's currently trading competition. Anyone who trades MCRT, you go in the chance to win up to 3 million MCRT through Bybit. Uniswap up a lot yesterday, 14%. I have 25,000 of it, which is beautiful. I was rebuying it on the bottom if you followed me. BNB, $239. No major bounce back on BNB. I'm going to buy another $1,000 of BNB. I think it's still very undervalued, so I'm buying another $1,000 of BNB. That trade is activated. FXS, I've got 11,400, up 2%, and that's what I'm holding in that trading count. Over in my derivatives trades, my Bitcoin trade is up $517 in the profits, and my Ethereum trade is $1,626 in the profits, which is beautiful. Let's check out Ethereum now. So that's on the charts. Bitcoin again bull flagging, but it's nearing its the 5th and final wave, in my opinion, before the ABC correction. So we've got to monitor it closely. Let's go to Ethereum and then total market cap of all cryptos. And the futures, Ethereum bouncing perfectly off that trend line, exactly as I predicted. My trade is, this one was the trade that I've taken massively in the profits. This is the trade that I set last time. Hasn't yet activated. We're sitting on the monthly support. It's got a few wicks that are pushing back down. You can see here wicks that are pushing back down. So there's heavy resistance for Ethereum here, which we could actually see. That trade I took open was perfectly off the bottom, risking $35 to make 843 or 50%. With 10x leverage, 500%. I still think Ethereum's got more to run here. Bull flagging, stochastic turning up on the weekly, stochastic turning up, 4-hourly stochastic turning up. If you haven't taken this Ethereum trade, you can take it off this daily support because it seems to be holding here. Going long off this support line, stop loss just underneath, very little risk to reward ratio. Take profit at that resistance at 2,300. That's a strong resistance. But if it goes to there, it will go to the white line, in my opinion. 22 risk to reward ratio trade. Risking $30 per Ethereum to make $677 per Ethereum, 36%. With 10x leverage, it's 360% or $6,770. 100x leverage, $67,000. The trade opens at 1863, stop loss 1833, and take profit at 2541. That's the Ethereum trade I would take. Let's look at the total market cap. Still both looking bullish right now for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's look at total market cap for cryptos. Bouncing out here at heavy resistance, but looks like it's still bull flagging here, but it's at a heavy resistance here, the total market cap, all cryptos. But that was expected. That was one of my targets. See, 1.15 trillion. We hit that perfectly from when I showed that direction. We went from 980 billion to 1.15 trillion, which is beautiful, at strong resistance here. So expect a rejection on all coins. 4-hourly stochastic heading down, daily overbought. So you could get a rejection here just because there's so much resistance. So I think crypto altcoins can come down a little bit here, test this, come down to about 1.1 trillion, and then get a bounce and continue moving up to that bigger overall resistance up here on this channel, 1.45 trillion. This is my targets for the crypto market cap. You can see here that it's just moving within this channel here, slowly climbing from the bottom from that crypto winter, and it should be moving up around $300 billion, which is beautiful. And don't forget, in the steps, so 1, learn how to trade, set up your charts. 2, trade on Bybit, you get that $30,000 bonus. 3, join us in the free Telegram. This is the free Telegram, the Guru Chat. And you can see here, I asked people to share some of their gains from the students. And you can see, I asked a few days ago, share some of your gains. These were some of my gains. So in this account, it's up 7,000 since I shared this on the 21st. I made $163,000 a day. I made 7,600, and I asked some of my students. These are their responses. So this student made 387%. This student long Bitcoin, $69,517 in the profits. These guys 576%, 300. You can talk to all of them. They're in the Guru Chat. That link in number 3 step, 83%. This student made $58,338, which is beautiful. And don't forget, there's a trading competition on MCRT right now on Bybit. If you go over to, it's spot trading. So you go to spot and MCRT. You can search MCRT. There's a current trading competition. Whoever trades the most in the month of July, there's going to be 3 million MCRT up for grabs, which is beautiful. Everything you saw here, I'm showing you how I move in and out of stocks and move in and out of cryptos. In the next video, in 12 hours, I'll make an updated stock video because I'm mainly buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, Uniswap, FXS. That's the crypto side. And on the stock side, Google, Facebook, Tesla, TSM. And in the next video, in 12 hours, I'll do an updated video on the tech stocks. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, comment down below, what are you buying? Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.